Welcome to the day 22 of the Suzuki KHYBER restoration. Please have a recap of what we have done so far. See how rusty was the floor. Finally we changed and now the foundation is very strong. This new pillar will be installed as the old one is full of rust. And coming back to today's update, we couldn't do much because of busy schedule at workshop after Friday. But the denter started fitting and welding the floor properly. Inshallah tomorrow it will be properly installed with the footboard in place. Thank you, and keep supporting.